Okay. All right. Isn't that some shit? Oh crap. I'm tripping today, man. I'm tripping today. Okay. All right. All right. Figured that. Now let's see if the Bulls can hold this. Yeah. So I get in at this break. I step away, and the Bears try to stop everybody out of this one. Hmm. Yeah, if we get a break of this, I might actually add to this position, actually. I'm gonna actually add to this one. Yeah, that dump was diabolical. Anybody that was long in that, for the most part, they probably got short. I mean, they probably got stopped out of that move, that fake out move. But you're not gonna fake the Yeah, that move was diabolical. Uh, unless yeah, hit those first few targets before you retrace. Poor favor. Poor favor, please. Okay. Good morning, Mike Stocks. Uh, uh, man, I was hoping to get those first couple of targets hit before we got this retracement. Mm. But I think we're good in this position, though. We should be good. We should be good, unless they try to come back down, which I don't think they will, but we'll see. We will see. Okay. All right. Okay. I definitely got to reduce my risk on this one since I've added to the position. I definitely got to reduce my risk on this. Hmm. Okay. Yeah, okay. We'll see how far they push this, because the bears are definitely trying to sell it here. The question is being able to survive the push. That's the only question. Being able to survive. Okay. All right. I'm already down 700, so that means I only have about $500 of drawdown left. Mm. So the Bulls are definitely going to have to buy the dip on this one. Good morning, Alfred. Yeah, I think I might be in trouble here. I think I might be in trouble here. Yeah, they're definitely going to have to step up right here. I mean, the pattern looks like it is going to pump up. This does look like a seller failure pattern, but with this massive move down this morning, this could just be the Bears, or not the Bears, the Bulls just buying the dip, but not necessarily absorbing all the selling pressure. So the question is, not the question, but is more or less, would I be able to survive before the Bulls are able to absorb all these Bears, the selling pressure? I think I'm good. As long as we can get above this, as long as we can, yeah, okay. That gives me more confidence right there. That gives me confidence. It just sucks that it just missed that target. It just sucks because if I got these first targets hit, then during that retracement, I could have just added more to the position. I honestly thought that this first retracement down was the pullback, but I guess it wasn't. We still got the 200 EMA right here at around 250. So we'll see. We'll see if the Bulls can push through this. I'm actually nah. We have to look at this regardless. Is that it right there? Is that the trend? Come on, Bulls, buy the dip. Buy the dip. Buy the dip. Yeah, that looks about right. Mm. Yeah, that's obviously bearish. Or at least the momentum is now bearish. I feel like I might get stopped out of this one. And I had to, yeah, probably gonna get stopped out of this one, unfortunately for this position. Mm, damn. 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 Yeah, I mean, once I saw that, yeah, I hit daily loss limit on this one. Yeah, once I saw that, mm, 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 yellow. All right, so let's look at the 60-minute. I mean, the 60-minute is definitely bearish. We definitely have more room for downside. I wonder if they're going to try to. Hmm, hmm, okay, so let's see. Okay. So the momentum is obviously bearish. Obviously. Huh. Okay. All right. All right. All right. So it's gonna be one of those days for me. Mm. Oh my God. Hmm. Nice one, ES. Nice. 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 It's taking everything in me not right now to not revenge trade that. What I will say is that that was my fault. I know better than that. I definitely know better than this. I definitely know better than that. I can't believe I allowed myself to get caught like that. I know better than that. I know better than that. I know better than that. Uh, I know better than that. I know better than that. I know not to put no damn stop so close underneath the low. I know better than that. I know better than that. Damn. Hold on, guys. Give me a second. Give me a second. Uh, all right, guys. Not gonna lie, that one kind of pissed me off. God damn. Oh, that pissed me off. So I missed. I really don't even remember where I got in at, honestly. I really don't. All I know is that I foolishly put my stop literally a point underneath this low. But let's just say 26. I missed a 20-point easy move up. Oh my God. Oh my freaking God. Oh my God. Hmm. Yo, congratulations on that for Shiro. Congratulations. I'm not gonna lie, like I said, man, I'm kind of, well, I'm not gonna trade on tilt, but um, all right, so we got a breakout there. Damn, I missed. Oh my, I missed this move. I was at the. Oh my God. I was at the bottom of this move. Oh my fucking God. Oh. Oh my. Ah. Oh. God. Oh my God. Oh my fucking God. I was at the bottom of this move and took a loss. Ugh. Who knew? All right. Right now, I recognize that I'm trying to chase price, so I'm just going to take a step back. I'm just going to take a step back. I'm just going to take a step back because I'm chasing price at this point. And I guess even that entry here at the top of this move, or I mean, after this big move up, I'm trying to buy it up here. That was me chasing price and low key trying to revenge trade.
Dang.
Man, not a good start. Maybe I have to I should probably take a step back and just take a breath. So I made one of the biggest mistakes in the world as a trader. I put my stop literally underneath this low, got stopped out probably to the tick down here on the ES at 521, just for it to shoot all the way up a 40 something 30 point move to the upside. I could have been done for the day in this account. I recognized that there was a pattern. So initially I took a loss this morning because I was too early on the long. And I hit daily loss limit because I was over leveraged on that account. So I have to bring that account back. And then I get into my funded account to catch the long, and I get stopped out literally like at the tick just for it to move up. So I could have had this whole move in my funded account, which is frustrating. So I made two mistakes today. If I make one more mistake, I'm gonna go into the sim because I'll be trading on tilt at that point if I trade any further. But I know now. I really don't. So I'm trying to understand why I self-sabotage myself like that, because I know not to put my stop underneath the low. And for some reason I did it anyway. And I know that. I mean, I know that you're supposed to at least put at least 2 to 3 points underneath the low. And I don't know why I didn't do that. I really don't know why. And it cost me this entire move. So like I said, it's frustrating. But this does look like a trap is setting up. So if I can get into this, because this does look like it's a trap long setting up. Or I'm sorry, I trapped short. I trapped short setting up. Man, that was a good. Oh my God, I missed this. Oh my God, I missed this move. And then I hesitated here at around 540. I hesitated thinking that, oh, I can get a better entry. Maybe it'll pull back. Man, this thing didn't pull back. Man. So, like I said, I'm just kind of frustrated about that. Couldn't put it underneath this. Yeah, if I lose this trade, then I'm going into the sim. But how's your morning going so far? You was able to get into something?
No, I'm just watching again.
Just watching?
Trading in the sim.
Mm.
That's best move right now.
Yeah. Yeah, that's so frustrating, dude. That's frustrating. But I think I'm good. I just saw what I needed to see. I think I'm good in this long. I guess I can get my money back. Honestly, I'm assuming I'm going to assume that the market wants to get back and fill that gap. Because if you look at the charts, we technically did not even fill the gap for real. We didn't get close on the ES, but the Nasdaq, she is such a bitch. Like, she is a bitch. Like, the things that she does, it's just this. Why do you do that? Where's that? Where's that gap? Because she halfway filled it. She didn't even completely fill her gap. Where is it at? Am I looking at the right chart? So it was like around. Okay, yeah, right here. She halfway filled the gap. She left about 5 points, so she only made it to 431 or 435, and this gap right here is at 440. So she halfway filled it. And so all the people that was probably looking to fill that gap right there, they got cut short by the Nasdaq yet again. Yet again. The ES didn't necessarily get too close to her gap. Her gap is all the way up here at 345 to about 350-ish. Or 358 to 345 is where her gap's at. So I'm going to make the assumption nice. Thank you. All right, so I was able to get my money back just by being calm and by yeah. So I was able to get my money back, so I'm happy about that. But I could have had more. Could have had freaking more. Could have had more. So last night, if you didn't join the M meeting, or no, I gotta say it like this: if you don't want to make money, don't show up at the NA meeting. I called this 420 level or 220 level on the ES last night. That's why I was trying to get long here at 220 and got stopped out. Kind of pissed me off. And on the Nasdaq last night, I think it hit it to the T almost, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so I called for about 815. I think we got to 17. I think I was probably like 2 points off. Yeah, I was 2 points off on the Nasdaq last night. So yeah, so from 18, 17, I mean, that was like a 100 point, almost 200 point, a 230 point play from last night's call out from the NA meeting. So I am very proud of that call out. But that gap up, that gap open, that was just not fair. That was not fair, dude. I was trying to chase an entry all night until I just said, fuck it, man. It wasn't pulling back. It wasn't giving me a good entry. It did continue to trade to the upside. So it just sucks that I missed it. I think I'm gonna have my first. Yeah, I think that's a good first target unless they fail here. But I think we can continue to trade to the upside.
Yeah, I see upside potential here.
Mm. I mean, at least you won't lose anything, I guess. I mean, if the market chooses to continue to trade to the upside, at least you won't lose anything.
Keep rejecting a VWAP though, but I do think they're gonna blast through it on that. I just feel like they are.
Let me look at the Nasdaq real quick. I mean, so yeah, I mean they swept the liquidity above this high, but we kind of got that. We kind of got that bottom. I mean, we did get a massive move to the upside though. So in this situation, it's a 50-50. Obviously, the momentum is bullish. The bears has already gotten their stops ran, and we're going to the upside. But I mean, we are at key resistance, so it's gonna be one of those things where it's like, well, if you're going to try to bet against the bears, just keep it tight. Keep it tight if you're going to bet against them.
Keep rejecting VWAP. No. Got this.
All right, so I passed the threshold for this funded account so far. I've already passed it. The question is the market trying to make its way now to fill the gap, to properly fill it? I mean, I think we can at least get a swipe at this high before we see any form of rejection on the ES. So I'm gonna have a target at 76. We're almost there. I mean, if they fail here, which I mean, no, I think we're good. If we blast up higher, we're good. If we blast, we're good. Shit, I think we got enough. I think we got room all the way up until about 300. So you know what? I'm gonna keep my targets where it's at. I'm gonna keep it where it's at because I think we got a lot of room to run, unless they try to trap high above 84. So I'm gonna have my first target around like 82, unless they try to trap high around 84. But I think we got room until about at least 300. Or not 300, 290. At least 290. I'm kind of glad I didn't go tilt here because I was about to go full blown tilt and I wouldn't have been able to get my money back. So I think this is a lesson right here. This is a good lesson to, like, when you get stopped out and you feel cheated by the market, to just take a breath, let the market reset itself up, and try to get a better entry. Because shit, I'm up 20 points right now on the ES, but shit, I was all the way down here at 20, so I would have been up 50. Mm. And I'm gonna try my best not to try to revenge trade in this position. You know what? I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna take that because I already feel myself trying to revenge trade in this position and try to quote unquote make back what I lost in that move down or in this move up. So I'm gonna take that first target.
So you got in at that consolidation.
Like I said, I got close. So I think my initial interest. So I think I have like a 6 point stop or something like that. So I think I got in around like maybe 225, probably.
Damn.
Probably like, yeah, 225 probably. And I wanted to have my candle beneath this low. And I thought about it. I was like, dude, you're asking it to be liquidity in this situation because you know they're gonna try to run that low. But then I'm in my funded account, so I was like, I kind of want to follow I don't know, man. Like I said, it's one of those things where I'm in my funded account, so I want to follow the rules because I don't want to blow it because of all the hard work that I put into it, the consistent work I put into it. But at the same time, I should have known better to not put my stop literally underneath the low, literally underneath it. I should have known that. I know better, and I didn't do better. And I think that's what's so frustrating right now, or that's what I'm frustrated about. Is that I know better than that.
So it just shortchanged me in the sim by like 7 points.
Did it?
My final target. Yeah, I was
Mm.
long
No, I think
Nasdaq at 151.
151. Oh, you probably got stopped out. I think, yeah, on the Nasdaq. I mean, they might be trying to turn here. They might be trying to turn. There's no way I got that much unrealized profits.
Could be.
No, I think we got some more room for upside. 67. So I'm up 16 points. The question is, it looks like it wants to pull back. It looks like it wants to, but I don't think so. It looks like it. But I think we got a lot more room for upside. Or maybe not. Hmm.
Shoot, could be going for a point of control. That would be good pullback. Thing went back to point of control.
This thing will let me get into mine. If I see what I need to see here. Okay. I scaled into 3 micro contracts to
Trapping bears right now?
I think so. I think they're trying to trap bears because where did we get that first drop? Was it like at 80 something? Yeah, it was at 83. Take off 2 here. Okay. Take off 2 there. Because they could be trying to because it does kind of look like a reversal pattern low key, but I think they're just trying to trap bears. Ah, okay. I'm just gonna close this position out and just take the profits for the day. All right, so I was able to make $261 in my funded account, minus the $500 I lost. So I made back the $500 and got back the 261. So I made about $700 to get back to break even. I'm just going to take that for today. Just going to take that. Man, that's so frustrating, man. Man, that was frustrating. That was frustrating. I'm gonna take that. I'm taking that. I'm gonna take that because I already feel myself trying to trade on tilt already. I already feel it, and I guess it'll be kind of foolish to think that with this big move up that there ain't gonna be no pullback. So let me just chill for like 2 seconds, get into another account, and see if we can get a another trading opportunity. All right, man. Like I ain't gonna lie, that shit pissed me off. God, I'm so pissed. Oh my God, I'm so fucking pissed right now, man. I am pissed, but I'm glad that I was able to step away from the computer, recollect my thoughts, and still was able to get my money back. But all right, until dump. So And so I was in at 20. We got all the way up to 80. That was a 60 fucking point move that I missed out on. God fucking damn it, man. So I know you feel it in here, dude. I'm so pissed. Oh, a 60 fucking point move on the ES intraday, and I missed it with a stupid rookie mistake like that, man. It was a stupid mistake to do that. Stupid, man.
They said they swept you and then
Yeah,
pushed
literally
high.
to the tick. Like, dude, and the crazy thing, I looked at it and said, dude, move it down 2 more ticks or 2 more points. Like, you know how this game is played. Like, why are you doing that shit? But I was like, nah, I want to respect my steps. Blah, blah, blah. Oh, yeah, the market respected it all right and used it as liquidity and ran higher. And I missed that 60 point move. So, like I said, that pissed me off. All right, losing 60 point move. I almost.
They hit second target. Just hanging out around VWAP. But think she's ready to take off. Think you ready to hit my targets. Push to VWAP. Simple moving average. $20, 14.
All right. So good thing I stopped myself out of that position because I would have got stopped out because I think this is exactly where my stop was, I think. So I'm glad that I was able to, that I recognized that the market was going to the downside and I was able to get my money back, get some profits, meet another day for MFF. So like I said, I'm glad about that. But it would have been nice catching that 60 points in my funded account, though. That would have been nicer. Okay. All right. So I think I have one more account, possibly. Let me see. Because I hit the loss under that account. Um, I have one more funded account, but I'm not going to trade it. So I'm going to this one. That does look like a short. That does look like a short. That looks like a short. So what I'm gonna do is I'm not trading my second funded account today. Right now I'm too pissed, so I'm not gonna trade it. That does look a short though. That looks like a short. Baby, please let me get the right one. Baby, please. Wait.
It's a 23,000. Yo, Ninja Trader. They upped the day or not the day margin, but the initial margin to 23,000.
Really?
They volatility. They like, nah, we're not taking any chances. I'm up 4K in the sim.
Oh, are you streaming
Don't
it
hit
today?
this. No,
Oh, you're
I'm
not? Okay. Just looking.
just doing my thing here. Trying to get my groove back.
Al Smith got his groove back. All right, so
Could
let's
they
see.
short here, or are they just playing around?
I think so, bro. I think so.
Yeah, it's looking. Yeah, because they tapped in. Yeah.
84, 87. Because I mean, if they swept this high, you ain't gonna catch me the same way. I'll never ever again put my stop literally underneath the low. It will always be 3 points back, especially if I can get a good entry. There we go, baby. There we go. That's why we trust the charts. In the charts we trust, baby. In the charts we trust. But I will say that this actually, well, all right, so we did get that short, but this might actually be a bear trap now that I'm looking at it. It might be a bear trap. It might be a bear trap. Overall, we did get, so this is what I'm looking at. Let me see. So I'm saying that this might be a bear trap only due to the momentum, but based on the structure, so we got this and we got a break. We have a sweep of this high right here. So in reality, the bears should knock this down. The only reason why I said that this might be a bear trap is because we have all this bullish momentum to the upside, and I think I might be right. Yeah, they probably might run these highs. Hopefully not, but yeah, I think. We'll see though. Yeah, okay. It was a bear trap. All right. It was a bear trap.
Rapping bears is what we do.
Okay, so I know better next time. All right. So as a bear, I gotta at least try. So now, obviously, the market is in a buy program, so I'm gonna be buying. I'm gonna be buying because we got this breakout. We're gonna get this pullback. So,
I'm
oh
short.
wow, I just went short again. Wow,
I'm short. I'm short.
dude, this is going long. Yeah, bro, get out of that short, bro. I mean, you're in the sim. You're in the sim, but it's going long.
They do keep wicking it back up. I'm only okay. There's VWAP touch. And, come on! Don't disappoint me right now. Oh my god! No way!
What happened?
No way! You just missed my target. Like, okay, okay, and then go all the way back to my break even. That's just filthy.
Yeah.
That's just filthy. Who does that? What kind of girl treats you like that?
The ones that know they can get away with it.
Okay, second try, baby. Second. You gonna do it again? That's diabolical.
I want to point out that they kind of double bottom around that 170 area. They double bottom there. Just be mindful. This is going up, bro.
Yeah, it is looking like it's going up. He did it to me twice. That's so dirty.
I mean, so the one thing that I've come to know and love about both the Nasdaq and the ES, when you try to pick tops and bottoms with trends, you really have to pick your spots. And with all this bullish momentum, we just had a break of structure. The market does this thing where it just likes to use stops as fuel when it's trying to trend. And we all know if it ain't going down, it's going up. And if they haven't dumped it as supply, well, you only know what it's trying to do. Trap bears. And I tried it right here. This is a plus sell setup right here. And because I got trapped, I just know that it's just to go long today. I just know that now. I'm gonna try because I'm a bear, but I know to go long.
I'm gonna try because I'm a bear.
I'm gonna try because I'm a bear. I was in profit for like 2 seconds, and then it took my it took all my happiness away. I was like, there we go, baby. Bears when they see green, and then
that is hilarious. Well, she shortchanged me by 3 points. Missed my target.
Mm-hmm.
Missed my target by 3 points. And then twice. She did it twice. But I'm going to. Okay.
All right.
All right. Hold on. Don't stop, baby.
All right. I guess I was mistaken. I guess the Bulls and the Bears just got trapped in that move. I guess I was mistaken.
Target finally. Goodness.
Oh no. Maybe I got in.
One. Going to hit TP2, baby. Oh, yeah, this is just wild swings. Going to hit TP2, baby.
Hmm.
But I'm going to put a trail stop at VWAP. I know she going to try to make her way back to it first.
Yeah. Let's see if they actually take this low out.
Okay, TP2, baby, hit. All right. Where are we going next? Should I do the bottom of that golden fib or should I go lower?
We might get trapped underneath this low right here. So let's see.
Trail back to VWAP, and then we're just gonna try it. We gotta try.
Oh, you know what? Shit, this is actually a good long opportunity that I can take in my funded account. Make sure I'm in the right one.
Would it hit TP3?
Oh, baby, please let me get in. Oh shit, I'm in the wrong one. Fuck. Oh, baby, please don't do it. Don't. Oh no. 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 No.
Want to get in long there?
Okay. I think I might have an opportunity. I think I might. But this is kind of too. Nah, that's too high, dude. That's too freaking high, yo. All right, man. So, I'll try at VWAP, man. I think we get to at least VWAP, man. I think we do.
Yes. Yeah, I'm in a runner last contract. They 205 short entry. But we tapped it. Oh. Didn't over.
Okay, I was about to say, I was like, dude, I know.
Okay.
Are they going to shortchange VWAP? Are they going to shortchange it? Dude, it looks like they're going to shortchange it. I'm not going to chase it. I'm not going to chase it.
Wow. Say that because they could keep pushing. But I think for Nasdaq, I think around this wide range from like 70 to 120, 130. I think they can come in and buy it right back up. It's a big range, but they're already trying. because they already tapped 130. They're already trying to buy it back up.
Okay, yeah, I'm confident. I'm confident. I'm buying that VWAP. But it does look like it's going to. It does look like it's trying to get, like they're trying to shortchange it. But I'm going to stand tall on VWAP. I'm standing tall with VWAP. I'm with VWAP, baby.
Think they're gonna buy it up at VWAP?
For sure, dude. For sure. I'm with VWAP. I'm with VWAP. For sure, they're going to buy it up at VWAP. Or let me rephrase that because I'm not sure. It's highly likely that they'll buy it up at VWAP.
Highly likely.
Highly
High
likely.
probability.
Yeah, let's look at the dome. Yeah, look at that, man. Oh no, that they was man. They shortchanged VWAP. Okay, never mind. It does look like they're gonna reject it here. No, I'm with VWAP, baby. I'm with VWAP. So let's see at the DOM and see if they got any orders sitting at VWAP at 60. Yeah, they got a bunch of people sitting at 63. So
63.
63 on ES.
Yep, that's around VWAP. That's
We're gonna at least get a 10-point bounce so I can get my first couple of targets. And if we're lucky, we can get some runners. And then the 200 EMA is right at 259. The hourly chart is bullish, dude. We're bullish today.
The hourly on ES looks like a double bottom.
Yeah, we're bullish. It just sucks that I missed this. No. I was with VWAP.
130. Yeah, they came back in, right back in. Ran it all the way to NAS VWAP.
Damn.
Go girl. Well,
Damn. Oh, okay, man. Oh my God. Oh,
baby.
no.
In, baby.
No.
You could chase it, kind of.
Why? Why did y'all not tap me? Why? Oh, why?
A minute, baby. Hit that target, baby.
Oh my God.
Hit it. Boom. Hit it. You NQ, don't be a jerk right now. Don't shortchange me again. Tired of this. Play too much.
And this because of this EWAP, I can't even, or EWAP. This is the ES. I can't even chase it, man. I can't even chase it.
You were on the NAS. She said, "Come get me, baby."
Shit. Let me see what's up on the NAS real quick.
I'm here.
Let me see what's up with her.
She missed my target by 2 points. That's another thing that's been really just like, I guess I gotta front run my own targets, of where she can, because she does that and then she'll go all the way back to my break even. It's me by like a tick, 2 ticks, a couple points maybe, and then go all the way. That's so disheartening.
Yeah.
At that point, I'm gonna just start exiting. I'm gonna hit the exit button. When I see you getting close, all right, exit. Closing everything. That's just rude.
Yeah, like.
All right, she hit it. Finally.
All right, man.
Okay, now that we passed that noise, I think we go try.
Dude.
Gotta try. VWAP slope it up
All
there.
right, man.
Yeah.
Of course, that don't work. I mean, it needed to, but it's okay. That's all right. That's how life works, I guess. Wow. They literally stopped before VWAP. What the fuck is going like my okay, all right, so uh
Yeah, and that's the painful thing right there. Those type of things. It's okay.
So that's another missed opportunity today. So I missed a 60-point move to the upside. Then I missed a 20-point move to the upside that I could have had in my funded account.
37. Yeah, if they would have hit my 37 target. Now I moved it up to 250. But I'm gonna front run 250. I'm gonna front run 250 to 47. You gotta hit 47. You gotta at least hit 47. With a stop at 2. At 220. That's about to get hit. Likes this back and forth at Q.
All right, so let's look at her.
Push it to 270. Or am I being?
Okay, so that's that drop. So either they hold no, maybe they will come back for VWAP because I wouldn't even take, or they might come back right here. They might actually come in here. They might come in here. All right, man. Well, let's see. Let's take this trade. Let's see if. So I'm not going to take this trade on my funded account. The risk to reward is not even worth it. The risk to reward is not even worth it. Maybe they might come back for VWAP. I mean, it would be kind of crazy if they do, but
I think they're going.
Yeah.
I think we get my target first.
Yeah. Yeah. What a day. What a day. What a day. So I guess that's a good. I mean, if I'm going to have a problem, I guess I would rather say I recognized the patterns on the chart, but my execution was off. But
see that again, that is psychological torture. I told y'all I had my target. I front ran 250. I put it at 47, and it goes to 46 and a quarter. Like, who does that type of stuff?
Thank you.
That is torture. And then to watch this. I should have put it at 40. I should have put it at 45.
I think they come back for VWAP. They come back for VWAP.
Try to be cute with 2 extra points. I should have put it at 45. But now, if I move it to 45, it'll probably run up to 270.
Dude, this is so bullish. This is bullish. Both the hourly, not the hourly, both the ES and the Nasdaq are both bullish on the hourly. This is bullish. If you're trying to short this, I would reconsider. This is bullish. You can look at the hourly chart and clearly see that we're in bullish territory. I think the market is just trying to get the foolish bears that don't look at the hourly chart and it's like, oh, we're at resistance. Let's short it. Bro, we are making higher highs. So we got this double bottom right here. We got this higher low, and we got this higher low. Technically, the market is in an uptrend. Technically, right now, you have a somewhat of a double bottom here in this area, They bought it at the bottom of this trend line, and we have all this space for upside, especially if we run this high. Especially if we run this high right here on the Nasdaq at 435. We're filling that gap. We're filling this gap today. If we get above this high, this gap will get filled, and we could possibly see, maybe if we're lucky, this high, wherever this high is. Let me actually look at it and see. We could possibly get above that high, somewhere around 760 possibly, but I'm pretty sure we'll see the rejection after the gap fill. We'll see the rejection after the gap fill for sure. Yeah.
On Nasdaq, there's orders sitting at 500, like maybe 430.
Hold on. Wasn't I in a position? Because when I was in an ES position. Unless it, hold on, did it just hit all my targets and I wasn't paying attention? Ah, dude, it hit my targets. I wasn't even paying attention. I was not paying attention. Yeah, I think it's a good thing that I'm not in my funded account because, yeah, my execution right now is 100% off. I have no clue why. I'm just off today. I'm just off. So I'm just going to. So if I did take this in my funded account, I would have got my targets filled.
Remove my 247 target. I'm going to, well, right now it's at 318, but I think I'm gonna move that down a little bit to like 310, maybe even 307.
Let me make sure I'm in the right account. Let me make sure I'm in the right account.
306. I'm long from VWAP, and this is my last runner.
Oh, congratulations on that. That's funny. The Nasdaq made it to VWAP, but not the ES. When the ES loves the VWAP. So on my other chart, so on my lower time frame chart, I think we might get let me see. So what I might actually have to do on this one is actually might reduce this. I might reduce this. Because I had a misreading on this one. Instead of having it at, go back to the 1000 tick chart, probably like 1008, probably.
Good sell off here. Oh, well. We could do soon.
So you can see that on the 1000 tick chart, it bounced perfectly here at this 200 EMA. So I'm gonna go back to the 1000 tick chart because I was trying to be cute with the 1100 tick chart, but I'm gonna go back to 1000 tick because yeah, you can kind of see this a little bit better.
100-point Smith in the sim. One con, one runner. You're gonna hit my 318 target now. It's 318 or bust, baby. Damn.
I know.
No freaking way.
I know, bro. I know, man.
You cannot make this stuff up.
Okay, so yeah, I think we're getting out. Man, dude, we're feeling that gap, bro. We're feeling it, man. We're definitely. I mean, we're definitely getting back up here to 60 or something. We're definitely getting back up here to 60 on the ES.
Do we have a new thing today?
You said what? No, we only have super microcomputers after the bell. Yeah, we're definitely, dude. The Nasdaq is about 200 points away from or probably like 150, 130 points. Actually, let's just do the math right now. I'm filling a gap. And actually, never mind. I'm looking at the wrong thing. 541 minus 300. So we're 241 points away from filling this gap on the Nasdaq.
I was 7 points. Oh, they about to hit my target at 318. Are you kidding me? Wow, target hit. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That was on one contract from VWAP all the way. Nasdaq's VWAP. I was in at 177
Mm-hmm.
all the way to freaking 318.
So I was in at 225 and prices at 306. I would have been up $80, 80 points if I didn't make that foolish mistake.
Wow.
Yeah.
That was perfect. Yeah, that was the perfect. It rejected off this 320 area here slightly. Front ran it to 318.
Mhm.
Oh my gosh, that was just beautiful execution on that.
Yeah, congratulations on that, man. I mean, I
Yeah,
guess
what
this
am
is what did you learn from that? I mean, what did you take in from that?
I?
He
No,
said,
I said that the bulls are regarded. I was actually been buying. I actually sold a little bit too, around 200. I'm trying to look. Oh, yep, just blast past this zone in Q. 200-point candle, hourly candle. Wow.
Nvidia. So I guess I must have started with that Nvidia miss. I missed my entry on Nvidia yesterday. Nvidia is now up 100, or it's up what, $15 from yesterday? Or let me make sure I'm doing the math right. 106 minus 90. Yeah, $16 up from yesterday. I would have been up $16, baby.
Oh, this is crazy. And you see, super microcomputer barely moved today, and this thing be moving like dollars. It's only up. So it just jumped now, but it's up $1.37. It was up like 90.
That was it. Okay, so where does the market wants to go? That's the question. Where does it want to go?
340. 340. That was a good spot to get out though. From where that 320 to 340 range, that 20-point range was a good spot on the NAS to get out, or at least to take profit. Because my trading view charts here is still was looking like some resistance. They would did pump up like it did, that we'd get some resistance or at least an initial rejection. You got to work your way through it, but nobody wants to sit through all of that. So if you had your profit target around that area, I thought it was going to shortchange 320, so I put it at 318.
And it short ran that, huh?
Shoot it, blasted through that to the top of the range, and then rejected. But I'm saying, like, I don't know. I never want to take the risk of trying to go for the top of the range. If I'm gonna get out, I'm gonna probably shoot for the bottom. Especially if you're longing,
Mm-hmm.
shoot for the bottom of the range. Unless, I mean, it's circumstances, but
Mm-hmm.
this one I just felt we see a rejection there. Now, obviously, we could straight the Bulls gonna come back and be regarded and probably blast through it. You might get that gap fill you're talking about.
I would find it unbelievable for the market to not gap fill today. All right. I mean, if we don't do it during the session, probably at the end of the bill with the earnings, because we got to understand why micro supercomputers is very important. Smith, wasn't you talking about it yesterday? Or you telling me about it yesterday?
Yeah. We're strategically partnered with NVIDIA, so they do all the servers and stuff for that NVIDIA uses.
Mm.
So if their earnings is good, that's a a prequel to what NVIDIA is going to be looking like.
Mm-hmm.
I think their NVIDIA is what, at the end of the month or towards the end of the month?
Yeah, towards the end of the month. Yep. NVIDIA likes to be on the island on its own with its earnings.
Yeah. So if they're good today and they got good guidance and earnings beats, numbers beats, then you bet NVIDIA gonna be looking to save the market again.
Mm-hmm.
Back to 20K.
Yeah. Yeah. NVIDIA is definitely going to save the market again. I mean, a lot of people talking about an emergency rate cut from the Fed.
Did hear about that. Like
saying,
next week.
You said what?
I saw I had some article saying emergency rate cut like next week.
Yeah, right. Yeah, right.
For what?
Because of the. Go ahead.
Powell ain't worried about them.
The man's worried about his legacy. I mean, if it's, I mean, we're acting like the Fed doesn't get this data beforehand, before everybody else. Like he didn't already know the job numbers was going to be crap. I mean, people acting like they playing the game fair. Like, nah, why the hell is Powell getting the same information at the same time as everybody else when that's his job? He knew that shit was going to happen.
Yeah. That's all us peons. That's super true.
Yeah, just imagine fucking Powell has to get data that literally is his job the same time as the market gets it. Yeah, shut up, market.
He's like, I'll subscribe to Financial Juice.
He's keeping a close eye on the numbers on Financial Juice.
Hey, y'all, I need this data.
That's so funny, dude. The market is so funny when it doesn't think. It's so funny. But yeah, Powell knew that shit already, man.
Funny is that 9K in the sim.
Really?
K in the sim.
With the small size or heavy size?
Small size. Well, small for me.
I mean, what size positionings were you making?
Like, well, I'd scale into like 3 contracts. I think my highest was 4, but
micros or minis?
Minis, baby. No, I do need to go over to micros though. I'm about to try that out right now.
Micros is not for the. I mean, like, dude, it is an adjustment period, man. It is an adjustment period. At least for the Nasdaq, micros is more liquid than obviously the full mini. So that's why the price action on the Nasdaq micros is so fucking erratic. Let's actually look at that, because as you can see, the MES or the ES usually is more liquid than the MES, because the ES is so easy to trade. It's not crazy. You can trade minis and be very successful with the ES. You just have to respect your stops. And that's usually why the ES is more liquid than the MES. The MES is just for poor people. I can't afford the full mini. I'm just playing, but I'm not playing. That's usually how the market looks at MES, is if you don't have the capital to trade a full mini on the ES, that's what the ES is for, the MES. But with the Nasdaq or the micro Nasdaq will always be more liquid. Or let me say this, because that's an absolute. for the most part, the micro Nasdaq is going to be more liquid than the full Nasdaq because that shit moves down 10 points out of your direction. You're already down 1 million K. So it's like, yo. That's funny. But yeah, so that's why the price action on the micro Nasdaq is so erratic. But if you look at a full mini, that's why I prefer trading the full mini Nasdaq. The price action isn't, you don't see as many wicks on the full Nasdaq as you would on the micros, and the moves are a lot cleaner because it's not a lot of liquidity on that side of the market. So, um, I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if they knock this thing right back down to about where these EMAs are. I wouldn't be surprised uh, if we see a bounce at 190 on the Nasdaq. Let's actually look at that. Let's look at 190, where not 190 is. So this is about, oh, okay. So yeah, point of controls right here. You got VWAP at, look at that, dude. You can't make this crap up. You got VWAP sitting here at 190. Like I said, I wouldn't be surprised if we see a bounce here at 190. I'm thinking they're going to protect this low at 128, but if you get in at 190, I don't think that is, you should care about that. We did get this break of structure. We got the pullback already. So we got this blast. It does look like the bears are going to, or not the bears, the bulls are about to fail because we got this break. They failed to take out this high again, and then we got another break. So I mean, unless the bulls just come up with some full force and take out this high and take out this high, we can expect the bulls to fail, and we can see that move down lower.
10 o'clock, baby.
Oh yeah, and it's 10 o'clock too. Yeah, around that reversal time. So yeah, you're right.
How they do.
There goes. Yeah, I'm actually take this. I'm gonna take this, man. I'm gonna take it. I might be too late on this move, but it does look like the bulls are going to fail. So I'm gonna take this. Make sure I'm in the sim. Because after 10, 12 o'clock, I mean, unless I see Jesus himself set the market up, I usually don't trade, man. Yeah, I'm definitely going to have to really reflect on my execution today. But yo, I'm glad that it seems like you're getting back in the groove of things. 9K, yo, that's impressive. That's very impressive. What was the drawdown looking like, if you don't mind us asking?
It wasn't much drawdown. I think the highest I was down was maybe like 11 or 1200, but that was when I had already secured like 4K at the time.
Yeah, so you're just using some of your profits. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that definitely looks like a. But at the same time, I really wouldn't be surprised if the Bears or if the Bulls just get real regarded, because it looks like they're trying to take profits at 315 on the book map, but we're already past 315. Hold on, am I look? Oh, I'm on the ES. Okay, my bad. I apologize. I'm looking at the ES book map. Huh. You know what? I'm taking it because that's a good setup. That's definitely a good setup. Let's see if they hold this. If they can hold this, I'm taking it. Actually, no. It's too late in the day. No. Come back tomorrow. It's too late. Too late. So I'm trying my best not to. I'm trying my best to set a set of rules that's going to help me be successful. I mean, I do see this. This is highly likely going to work. Or
What were you
maybe
trying
not.
to? What were you thinking about taking? A long?
Yeah, so I was taking I wanted to take a long here at this consolidation, but apparently I may be wrong here.
Thinking they drop it a little bit. Maybe not a full reversal, but
Mm-hmm. Oh shit, I didn't know I was in this move on the Nasdaq. All right, so I'm in this short on the Nasdaq. The way that this is looking, why am I short all the way down here though? And so if I'm going to get short, this is where I would get short. I would get short after, so I'm gonna just put my stop here because I didn't really mean to get short down there. I think I just set a sell stop, and I think I switched away from the chart and it filled me. I would actually get short at a failure right here. So if I saw what I needed to see, I would have got short at like 230-ish. But I guess this could work. Now that I'm in it, I want it to work, but mm, yeah, today was just not one of my good days. Best days. We'll get the other account back tomorrow. I'm gonna try to catch that pump that I think that we'll probably see at tomorrow's open because yeah, the market is definitely bullish. I mean, the market wouldn't be bearish until we break below 254 on the ES and 101 on the Nasdaq and close underneath that. Any close underneath that low would be considered a bear or bearish, but there's too much room for upside. We got a gap above us, and then above that gap, we have all this space. So I highly doubt that the bears would take control here. We'll probably get bearish movement, but we won't see bears take control. Man, this is gonna work. It's gonna work. How long can it work? Okay. All right, so let me really look at this because maybe this is a bull trap. Let me look at this. So we got this break. We have a two-legged pullback. That might have been that sweep of liquidity. So, I mean, is this a short? I mean, we have a bearish move into a range. We have a bearish move into a range. I think that was just a sweep of liquidity. The bulls are trying to buy it here. I think this might be a short. Let's try to short now.
gotta try. There, you gotta try. Short 313 on NQ, but
That
I
is
was
so
like,
crazy. Oh, never mind. Because I'm short 310 on the Nasdaq too. Not short the
I was like,
Nasdaq.
dang, probably should have took my profit. Get 292. I should have shorted the 23% on my chart.
That's probably where the market's trying to get to. Where's the 23% on your chart?
Mine's sitting at 325. I should have shorted up there initially.
Mm,
We're
okay.
running.
Okay. Good thing I'm in the sim right now, because yeah. Yeah. All right, this is my last trade, and then I'm just gonna end it for the day. I'm going to end it. Yeah, because just need to go back. I don't know what the hell is going on. But after missing all that glorious points today. Yeah.
It happens though. As long as you don't make no mistakes, sabotage the account, you know there's always gonna be another chance.
Yeah. Yeah.
But I know the feeling, man. Missing a spectacular move.
Yeah. Fucking spectacular.
Points. All those unclaimed points.
Yeah, man. Yeah. I mean, like I said, man, I always got to remind myself that, I mean, nothing does not change. I mean, it does not change. It don't change. That sweep of liquidity right there, that was just, yeah, it doesn't change, bro. It doesn't change. And, like I said, the one thing upsetting about this move was that, I saw it, I recognized it, I got in. However, I think either my stop was already there or I moved my stop up because I wanted to reduce as much risk as possible in this account. It's my funded account, and it's still young. I currently only have $1,200 in this account right now. So I wanted to preserve capital in this and not be minus $500 or $600 or whatever. So I'm gonna have to go back and look at the tapes and see if my stop was already here or if I've moved my stop up. If I move my stop up, then I'll probably have to write lines or something as punishment because I know not to put no damn stop underneath no low. I know that. So, all right. I know not to do nothing as foolish as that. So, all right. But, all right, man. I'm done for the day. I'm just going to step away from the charts. I got faked out in this one move about 10 times just for it to go short. Look at that. You still in this short, right? Or did you get stopped out?
Still in it.
Still in it?
I think, yeah, I got one last runner. $11K. Wow.
And so what was your position sizing before we end the stream? You said about 3, 4. So
Three.
What did you start out with? Did you start out with 3 or did you scale
No,
in?
I started out with 1.
Oh, so you started out with 1 and built the position as it went up?
Yeah.
Nice.
Look at this short. And then I'm out. It hit my trail. 11K in the set. Dang.
Okay. All right. But all right, guys. We'll come back tomorrow. Today was obviously not one of my good days at all. We were in the right areas. It's just that the only win that I had today was that making my money back in my funded account and getting an extra $261 into it. So I'm gonna take that as a win. I hit daily loss limit in the first account. First, I was too heavy. It's like I made that same mistake last week. It just seems like when I start following the rules, it appears that my ego gets to the point to where I'm better than my trade plan. I can't help. Well, I can help it, but that emotion is just too strong. Where you begin to think that I'm better than your trade plan, even though it's your trade plan that gets you to the party. I know what setups look like. I know what areas I need to trade in, and I get, uh, I guess that BDE energy it gets too big at times, and I just stop. I think I'm better than the trade plan. So even when I'm right, I'm wrong. So I guess that's something I really need to start focusing on. It's just sticking to the plan, even if it does get boring. That's why we all love the NQ though, baby. She's never boring. Your heart is always pounding when you're in her, when you're in a position.
Yeah,
Your
that
heart
is
is
true.
definitely always pounding when you're in a position with the Nasdaq. Yeah, they actually might be trying to pump this back up. And another thing is, I guess I was trying to be too perfect with the entries too. I missed this big move up because I was looking for VWAP, even though I saw on my smaller time frame chart that it hit the 200. But I was thinking, well, I mean, they might get the VWAP is right there, but I know what the ES like, and that's something else. Let me write that down because it's like, dude, it's the same shit. Like, why are you trying to change it up?
Talk about these pre-market moves on the Nasdaq. Like that was like a freaking regular session. I feel like. Did you look at the pre-market?
Did I spell that word right? My mind has been completely blank. Yeah, because I was trying to chase free market
Were you? Were you
because
trading?
I missed that move.
You were trading ES
Yeah.
pre-market.
It's the same thing. Yeah, so in my play around account, in my play around account this morning, I don't know why I allowed myself to do that, but I was up about $900 in that account, and I made the mistake of doing exactly what I just did, over leveraging at the wrong time. All right, so um, if we don't see. Okay, so I'm thinking that probably price if we don't see a bounce here, if we don't see a bounce here, then we're most likely to see price trade all the way back down here to about 70, 73, possibly back down here to VWAP. That'll be poetic justice though. But all right, guys, that's it for me. That's it. And Smith, you got anything?
Oh, I got nothing.
All right, guys. We'll do better tomorrow. Peace out.
Later.